Implementing biodiversity to our populated cities is a key factor in helping the health of our environment. It's been easy for people to think that cities, they're just these moonscapes, completely sterile environments with just humans and maybe trees or grass, said Seth Magel, director of the Urban Wildlife Institute at the Lincoln Park Zoo in Chicago. Due to the large amount of the population living in urban areas, most of the green spaces have been paved to make room for more buildings. While clearing these forests and natural green areas, humans have greatly impacted the biodiversity in cities. These cities are known to have decreased the level of biodiversity when compared to a natural landscape. This is because of humans introducing non-native and invasive species, as well as intensive land use and destruction of natural habitats. While cities are reducing biodiversity, they can also be used to help reintroduce species to these urban areas. In fact, researchers are increasingly working with city planners, landscape architects and urban wildlife managers to make cities part of the solution to the global biodiversity crisis, urban refuge. However, it's also important to be informed, some species can carry diseases, are invasive or non-native. Introducing these harmful species is not what wildlife scientists want. They want to help balance human impact and the environment. Even in these concrete jungles humans live in, there are ways to establish more nature. Green spaces are one of these options. Green space refers to initiatives that encourage the development of open space in an urban setting for the purpose of foliage-filled public parks and recreation areas. Porter, 2013. In the Midwest, the city of Chicago has already taken steps to add green spaces. The Millennium Park is a public park that has the title of the world's largest green roof, having 24.5 acres of green area, as well as 2.5 of those acres being native plants. Some ways you can help with biodiversity is learning the native species in your state and doing something as small as planting those flowers, plants, and trees in your outside area. Another way to help is to email your local government about replacing abandoned lots into small green spaces, adding native plants or creating a community garden. If everyone does their part, we can help start the rebuilding of biodiversity around the world.